If you have a sun trap in your garden, grow Agapanthus, whether it's in a pot or next to a sunny wall in a border. They will absolutely love it. They're very easy to grow. All you need to do is plant them in the spring, and a few months later they'll flower with gorgeous large blooms that will tower above everything else. Agapanthus, when they arrive, they look like a mass of roots, and sometimes they have some green foliage already on the top. So when you plant them, you need to dig a hole that's deep enough to fit all of the roots. Okay. And as it's already got some foliage, I'll leave that just poking out from the soil. Cover it over. I do recommend planting a group of 2 or 3 to make a nice bold clump. And that's about it. All you have to do, all that's left, is to give it a bit of water, give it a good soak. There we go, and that'll get it started nicely. So in a few months' time there'll be tall strap-like foliage, large explosion of blooms, and it will look fantastic. Enjoy!